kakalatch lang namin. But, the baby is not satisfied with milk only dahil sanay na siyang mag-solids. It's already, what time na? Almost 4 o'clock. And she's ready for her second solid food. Kanina, anong kinain natin? Scrambled eggs. So, Brie will have homemade peanut butter PB. And I will have no rice biko from Perfect Match. This is yours. Are you ready? Sige, eat. One. Here up. Nom. Always the first bite is confusing. But I know the second bite, you would like it better. This one. Wow. Yum. I know it's yummy because even me, I can eat what she's eating. Most likely, hindi rin yan magugustuhan ng